In this video, we are going to fix installing Microsoft Store failed with error code 0x80073d02. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to navigate here at the button search bar and type for PowerShell. Once done, please wait until you can see a best match, which is the Windows PowerShell. And from here, I want you to navigate to the right side and click on Run as Administrator if you will be able to find that. So the moment you will see the Run as Administrator, just directly click on it. So once here, click on it. And I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Please copy and paste it here at the PowerShell. So there's first one. Control C, then minimize this window, proceed to the PowerShell, make a right click once this would be ready, and then click on the enter key the moment you will be able to paste the first one, okay? So click on the enter key here, and once you are done with such, I want you to check if the error has been resolved, okay? So just don't include the command here, only the second, okay? Once you are done, I want you to close the window and then restart the PC and check if the error has been resolved. And if not, then navigate to the next solution. Here at the search box, type for CMD. Now, please click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this time you need to copy and paste this one by one. The first is sfc space / scan now. Make a right click to paste it. Click on the enter key in your keyboard so that you can start the process. And once you are done with the sfc scan now, please proceed to the second, copy and paste it here. Complete the procedure and wait until it will be finished. And once you are done with such, restart the PC and check if the problem has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.